Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add logo to Wix website. Once on your Wix website dashboard, as you can see right here, what I want you to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to scroll down and select settings. After selecting settings, you are going to tap on business info. Once you have selected business info, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, as you can see, add logo. You could simply tap on add logo. And by the way, you can also tap on create logo if you would like to create one. Another website that I would also recommend to create nice professional looking logos are Canva. So you could go onto canva.com, which is completely free, and type in the search bar logo. And from there you will see logo templates that you can choose from. As you can see right here, animated, gaming, or you could simply tap on search for logo and create your own customized logo using the templates as example. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.